Alright guys, what it do? It's your boy X coming back with another video. And in today's video, we're going to talk about AMC and some very interesting information that I've been looking into about it and what you guys need to know. Like, is it still a buy? Should you leave it alone? Has it ran its course? What's the play, right? I got you today. I'm gonna tell you the D's, like what's the play here, like what am I doing, what's going on with the stock. I got you. So let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so we're talking AMC. Before we get into the dirty D, would you mind subscribing to my channel and most definitely liking this video? Why? Because it helps my channel, it helps me get to a broader audience and just helps me grow. And why would you not want to see the next person grow, right? So I appreciate it. Now we're talking AMC. Now if you new to the channel, appreciate you clicking on the video, but I believe in AMC, right? I've held shares, I've sold shares, I've bought back into shares, I have. But what's most interesting about AMC right now is, after looking at some of the D's, right, I came across some information that is very eye-opening to me personally, and why now I'm thinking I'm going to buy even more shares of AMC. I am. Go swing you on over to the swam, right? Check that out. What that look like? What that look like? You know what that look like? That look like some companies own the AMC. They're actively buying AMC. And we ain't talking about no average company. Nah. We talking some of the biggest companies. We talking about, oh, I have a 401k. Oh, where should I invest my money? A lot of people pick Vanguard. What you see? Vanguard is buying AMC. What does that tell you? Vanguard is buying mid-cap stock. Vanguard index funds are buying AMC. There are plenty of other companies also buying, but Vanguard and specifically is buying AMC. What does that tell us? Like I said again, Vanguard is a very big company. A lot of people hold money in Vanguard. Vanguard is one of those top A1 ranked companies when it comes to investing, where to invest your money. When you say, hey man, what type of broker should I have? Vanguard, Charles Schwab, Fidelity, you know what I'm saying? TD Ameritrade. Vanguard is up there. Vanguard index funds are actively buying shares of AMC. This to me is a good thing. It's pointing as in the right direction. If Vanguard is purchasing shares, I may pick up extra shares. Why? Because that means they're buying. The reason this is like so important because it's index funds. A lot of people invest in their index funds. Why? Because they're diversified, they're safe, and on average they go up between 7 and 10% a year. A lot of people have Vanguard index funds, and with Vanguard purchasing in small cap, mid cap, international, they're including AMC in all of these index funds. That's eye-opening, right? Not just Vanguard, you have Morgan Stanley buying AMC. Look it up for yourself. Vanguard, Morgan Stanley, Invesco, all these companies are buying AMC and they're holding their AMC, which means they own like a very good portion of that said company. Why? AMC is not dead. AMC still has massive potential for the upside. So what does that mean? I can potentially make money off this. So what am I doing? I may buy more shares. As of currently, I will hold about 400 shares. Hopefully I can increase that to about 600 to 700 shares. Why? Because I know AMC in the long run will go to the upside. Just my piece of the pie, people. Now, what I'm going to do for you, because it's always best to do your own research. Don't just take it from me. Do your own research. So what I'm going to do is, in the description, it's going to be a couple links to a couple websites so you can see no institution ownership of AMC. You can look this up. Look up the institutions: Wells Fargo, Investico, Morgan Stanley. It's a lot of companies there who are actually actively buying AMC. Look these companies' name up. Type their name into Google. Look up their ownership in the stock. By doing just a little bit of research, people, you will see that of how many shares of these companies are holding AMC. It'll show you how many shares they're holding, last time they bought. Look it up. But I'm going to leave some links down there with companies that are actively buying. Take your time out, look it up, make your own decision. I'm not telling you to go throw your life savings in AMC. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just giving you some breadcrumbs that hopefully you can follow that will lead you to whatever you're searching for. It's the knowledge, people. So do I think AMC is going to the upside? Most definitely. How high is it going? I cannot actively tell you the information because I don't want to lie to you. I'm just being truthful. But am I going to buy more AMC? Yes. That's just the way it is. So do with this information what you must. Like I said, always do your own due diligence. Well, like I said, I'm going to leave links down there in the description so they help you guys out so you can follow those breadcrumbs. Hopefully they do you a lot of justice. But while you're down there, in the description, clicking on those links, most definitely hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about AMC. Are you buying? Are you selling? What's your play? Glad to hear it. But it's your boy X here, and I'm out.